In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix a camera error you might be getting on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The error message shows the error code 0xA00F4244, no cameras are attached. Let's get started. First, we're going to check Device Manager to see if Windows is detecting your camera. Click on the search icon or press the Windows key, then type in Device Manager. Click on the result that shows Device Manager at the top. Inside Device Manager, look for a section called Cameras. If you don't see it, try expanding sections like imaging devices or sound, video and game controllers just in case the camera is listed there instead. If you do see your camera listed, right-click on it. Then select Update Driver. Now, I don't have a camera connected to my computer. I'll show you the process on disk drives. Right-click on your disk. A new window will pop up asking how you want to search for drivers. Click on Browse my computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From here, just follow the prompts and click Next to install the suggested driver. Once that's done, you can close Device Manager. Now check if your camera is working. If not, let's try the next step. If you're using an external camera, like a USB webcam, it's a good idea to visit the manufacturer's website. For example, if you're using a Logitech webcam, go to Google and type in your camera's model along with the word software or driver. Click on the result that takes you to the official Logitech website. From there, download any driver or software package they offer for your camera model. Install the software and restart your computer afterward. Then check to see if your camera is now working. If your camera still isn't showing up or working, let's move on and check the camera app settings. Click the Start menu and open Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then on the right-hand side, click on Installed Apps. Now, either scroll down to find the camera app or type Camera into the search bar. When you find it, click the three-dot icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click on Repair. This will try to fix the app without deleting anything. Once the repair is complete, open the camera app again to see if it works. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same settings and click Reset. A message will appear telling you that this will delete the app's data, including your preferences and sign-in information. Click Reset again to confirm. Once that's done, close the settings window and restart your computer. After the restart, open the camera app again. If it launches without the error message, the problem is solved. If your camera is still not being detected, make sure it's not physically damaged and that the USB cable or connection is working properly. You can also try plugging it into a different port. After trying all of these steps, your camera should now be working again without showing the 0xA00F4244 error. Thanks for watching.